What's up, awesome builders? Ready for something totally weird and super unique? Today on the table, I've got a set that literally no one else has. Seriously. This is my exclusive, brand new, slightly fake set called FRIGO CAMELO. Check it out! Yeah, I know, it's not an original Lego set, but it is brand new. It only has a couple hundred small bricks, so you might think it's an easy build. This is where the fun starts. The instructions for this FRIGO CAMELO are an absolute challenge for your brain. This isn't just a building set, it's a crazy 3D puzzle. We're gonna have to think hard and get creative to figure out how all these fake camel pieces go together. So, grab your favorite snack, settle in, and let's see if I can conquer this Brainrot challenge. We're going to figure it out, build it up, and enjoy this bizarre process. If I can do it, you totally can too. I believe in you. Let's get building.